One, however, is actually a spider. It camouflages itself when danger approaches and the spider distinguishes the branch. It has the power of. So does it get the idea of camouflaging itself by mimicking a branch? Such examples are not limited to spiders. For example, there is these leaves. Carefully. Between the everything has been flawlessly recreated from down to its veins. There are other insects behind these leaves. Let us try to find it. There it is, a perfectly camouflaged insect. Almost impossible to see. The insect mimics the leaf down to the tiniest detail, such as a mark of rust. And here is an insect looking like a torn leaf. Let's now consider the design of these animals. These insects possess no power of thought. They do not know they disguise themselves as leaves. And even if they did not draw a leaf on their back. So who is the author of the conscious design of the insects? No doubt that the design is proof of the who brought insects into being. It is well known that the theory of evolution claims that all living things are the work of man. The leaf design on the wings of tiny insects is sufficient that living things are the work of the Creator, not draw a leaf. He can make it realistic, agree. But this is a three-dimensional leaf placed upon Allah, Lord of all the created, wonderful design, so revealed to us His own might. This thing swinging on a branch first it is such thing. A cocoon. Thanks to this perfect camouflage given to it by Allah, the can complete development was seen by his against and can start as a new fly. but in fact, not an image at all. There is another living thing, matching the flower's color. It is a praying mantis with its wonderful camouflage. Of course, the mantis itself did not plan perfect color and of both and the flower. The Creator of all shows us as He is the Almighty Creator. This white edge of the white part of the flower. From the point of view of a butterfly that lands in the middle of it, the spider looks just like part of the flower's leaves. The spider that its prey will even land on it.